everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Wow, it's crispy Adai. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thanks, Adai. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great. Okay, let's see the recipe. Take 2 cups of boiled rice, 1 cup of tur dal and a quarter cup of chana dal. You can make 10 to 12 adai with these ingredients. Soak the rice and dal for around 2 hours. I have taken some drumstick tree leaves and curry leaves. Take 1 inch of ginger, 6 red chili, 3 green chili, a quarter portion of a coconut and hing powder. I use LG brand hing powder, which tastes nice. According to your taste, you can take extra of these ingredients. Let's grind the batter. Add the ginger, coconut, red and green chili in the mixer. Also add salt as required. On top of these add soaked rice. Grind it finely and transfer it to a vessel. Now add the soaked dal to mixer. Grind the dal coarsely. Transfer the dal onto same vessel. Now add hing powder as required. Yes, batter is ready. Let's add drumstick leaves and curry leaves. You can add chopped onions as well. Mix well. You can see the consistency of batter. Preheat the tawa. Let's start making adai. Yes, use a flat ladle like this, which helps to spread the batter evenly and quickly. Make some small holes as shown. Add oil on the holes and at the edges. Cook for around 5 minutes. Then, flip the adai and cook for a minute. You can serve adai with jaggery, ghee, butter, coconut chutney, more kuyambu and avayal. Crispy adai is ready now. Looks yummy.
Yes, it is crispy and yummy. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.